It is only I'm making you to write the program, boss. So I'm asking you to write the program. So don't think recording is required for this. Okay. This is yesterday's example what we have done. This is yesterday's example. Now what I want to do in yesterday's example, when you click on the button, we are passing the parameter. I want to pass the parameter in the event. I want to pass the parameter in the event. I want to pass the parameter in the event. So how do you pass the parameter? So let me give you this. If you want to pass the parameter in the event, yesterday we already done that example, but let me put the story here. New custom event name and this is how we are passing. Custom event, name of the event. If you want to pass the data, when you go with the lightning components, we used to pass the data while invoking the methods, right? We used to pass the data while invoking the methods. The same story I want to do it. The same story I want to do it here. Now let me take a quick example here. So what is my requirement actually? I'll give template. Put label. So my requirement was basically we achieved this, but now I want to modify this requirement. This requirement was I'm modifying the same requirement, slightly different. Now I have now if I enter Wipro, my requirement is when I enter the data, click on go. This event should fire and pass this Wipro. When you pass this Wipro, the parent component should take the value called Wipro, pass that Wipro as a parameter to the get all accounts, get the accounts with the name called Wipro, or else I'll give some energy. So here I'm passing the data called energy. Now when I give energy and click on the button, I need to fetch all the records. Whose industry is energy. But this should happen with the help of parent child component. I'm not putting everything in a single component. I'm putting everything in a I'm not putting everything in a single component. I'm trying to put as a parent and child component. So my intention is parent component will take the data from the child component and invoke the Apex class method. Whatever the data we are passing from the child component, the data I want to read and I want to pass the data to the parent component. Parent component with the help of the data want to invoke a Apex class method by giving a parameter. So Apex class method with parameter. Again I repeat, Apex class method with parameter. So I want to pass the parameter to the Apex class method. So let us see how this can be done. Okay, first let me put here enter name. input text with the button. So I was giving JavaScript. Then I have export and all the stuff. Export class name from, okay, copy this line. Okay, here I have a function at the rate of track search text. Then I have calling event. Whenever the name changes, this dot search text equal to event dot target dot value. Similarly, whenever you click on the button, call event. The call event we had constant evt equal to new custom event. I'm giving just first one. Then I had search text. Then I'm firing the event. This dot this is how the event is fired. So when you click on the button, event is fired. This should be handled by the parent component. Here, whatever the code I wrote in the above example, parent component, same story I'm going to take. There's no difference in this till a certain part. Okay, till here there is no difference. There's no difference here. So only the difference comes here. Then, when the event is handled, it is going to call invoke. Invoke is going to take const search text equal to event dot search. Whatever the value we pass there, that value I fetch it here. This I have to pass it. So I am passing get all accounts search text. Right. So whatever the data we are passing from the event one, now from the child component, whatever the data you are passing, the data I captured and I am passing the data as a search text. Whatever the data you captured from the event, the data you are passing. For passing the search text here, you can look at the story here. In the imperative, how are you passing the data? This event actually. Apex methods. Right, look at this. I can give parameter equal to value, or else I was supposed to give dollar. I forgot the dollar. I can give it as a dollar value, or this should be in the Apex class, whatever the word we are given, that word colon search. In the Apex class, if I give parameter as key, then key colon value. This is how we are giving. So try out these two examples from your end. One is invoking when you click on a button, child component, when you click on a button, parent component should handle it, and the parent component has to make a call to Apex class, get the data. That is the first part of the story. Second part of the story, in the child component, I am going to enter the data, and I am going to click on a button. When you click on a button, parent component will take the data what is entered from the child component, and it is going to make a call to the Apex class based on the parameter what we entered, get the records and display it. So try out these two examples from your end. These two examples, one, capturing the data from the child. With the data, we are making a call to the Apex class. Second one, we have only button. When you click on the button, directly invoke a Apex class method from the parent component. Okay, try out these two from your end. I'll share the code, sample code what I've given. I'll share this code. Wait for a minute. Try out these two, and I'll just cover one more quick point here. Try out these two examples from your end. Try out these two examples from your end. Okay. So that's all from my end for